Cause like fine shit, very fine shit. Guys, I accidentally kasama ko kayo sa A Day in My Life ko. A Day in My Life. So wala lang, naisipan ko mag-video kasi nga, kanina, nanonood kami ng mga mukbang. So, ngayon, today is September 9, Tuesday, and yesterday wala kaming pasok and I have a shift. Yesterday, I have one shift only for this week. So, I feel like I'm gonna upload this on Sunday kasi nga every time na nag-video ko is like, ang tagal bago ma-upload. Minsan mga 2 months to or 1 month. So I promise this time, this video is I'm gonna upload this on the Sunday. Eh, ano? Just, you know? So, sasama ko kayo sa errands ko today and ngayon, I borrowed a Ford pass because I went to the library to borrow a spare of charger because I don't have a charger. And yeah, we only have study line today and we have PE next subject because currently it's 2:18 and 17 seconds. So our next lesson is gonna be 2:20. Yeah. So we have study line right now, and I'm not using my time really wisely today because like nanonood ako ng video tapos nagbibideo ako. Tingnan mo ba? Kasi mga student dito sa harap ko, may sila, may activities sila ginagawa. And guys, well, pupunta na kami sa next subject and I'll try to record there if wala kaming gagawin. Actually, may gagawin kami pero ako lang yung walang ginagawa. Actually, grabe na sinuha. Actually, ito na So, I hope na ma-edit ko na lahat ng mga video na nakatambak sa aking gallery. Kasi hindi ko pa na-edit. So guys, it's 2:19 and I'm gonna be back later. So, just gonna return this and I might do a school drive hopefully soon. Diba? So yeah, it's already 2:19 and we're going. Hi guys. Guys, okay. Bye.
Ba't sabi niyo miss na ano rin?
What we have right now, study line are anti-fine shit, girl. Fine shit. Very fine shit. Yeah, we have PE. Bye guys, I'm going now. Bye. Bye. See you on my next vlog after 2 months. Cause like every time I record a video, like I upload it every month, every like 3 months. So
Yay!
yeah, she got her nails.
ASMR.
ASMR. The camera. I'm doing things. So yeah, we're gonna be late. The boom. What's that? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, or any food. Like I'm also going to ask me. Cause like guys. Yeah. It's the one. It's the end of our class now, and we're going home now. It's already 3:15 or something.
Oh, no. Oh, wait. It's 3:20.
Stop it. Get some help.
3:20. So I'm gonna ask them, also Mirin, that is not here, like what food I can cook. So this. Guys, I accidentally felt hungry. Yo. So
So guys, I'm gonna be back and we're just gonna go home and ride a bus.
So guys, I left the home and so guys, I just finished. Kakulit ko lang and tekan na ko na guys sa focus sila ka and now
Dahil sabi ko gusto ko mag-mukbang video and naligutom ako. So, hindi ko ako nagutom ko dyan. And nag-ihiwa ako ng baon ko for tomato. Hiwa ko ng apple. Sandal ako.
mag-iingat ka Marta. And pinapainit ko na yan. Kasi luluto na to. Ay, wala. Magawa tayo. Ang baon. Hindi kasi wala akong naibang luto. Hindi ko alam kung anong lutuin ko para sa mukbang. So, hindi ko alam kung anong vlog to. Ang random ng vlog na to. Naisipan ko lang mag-vlog. Naisipan ko lang mag-vlog. Pwede pa ba akong pag-ganito? Bawal ako. So guys, nag-i-start yung mukbang video ko. Nakain na ako. Nakain ko. Yung niluto kong bopis kanina naman ito. Saan ba lagi itong video na to? Mukbang. Sayang eh. Ito kain ko. Ay, saan na? Yung video na to, try ko i-edit sa laptop ko. Para masanay na ako. Kasi yung video yung mas ina-edit ko sa phone. So, ito lang sa laptop ko din ko binireview. Like right now. Sa Monday na lang ako mukbang. Diyos. Mukbang. Ben, addict na ako sa mukbang for foods. So, we're gonna put it here. And there. There. Ito na ang ating baong. September 11. Lumayan. Pero parang mas malakas ko. Ba talaga? Ba talaga? Yan na yun. Tapos ni... Ay, hindi. Yung kalahati nito. Ano? Imbis na mag-tweet siya kung ano-anong ginagawa. Hindi, edit ko muna. Try ko nga ito po po siya. Trying different, spread. Tapos naman, ito. Asan na yun? Where is that? So, may iba't iba tayong spread. Tapos cheese niya. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa ko eh. Wala nang cards ng umaga at gabi. So, next. Ito naman. Yun lang ba, guys? Magawa ka ng condom. Ba yung water bottle mo dati, oh?
Water bottle.
Diba pa? 5:32 p.m.
Daddy.